Simple paint turns grim true stories into direct hand-drawn explainers. Across 111 videos, it makes complicated disasters understandable without showing a host. It shows 470,000 subscribers and 89 million total views. Popular sorting reveals where this repeatable format really broke through. The astronaut episode has about 5.66 million views. Cave Deaths has 5.54 million, while Sports Deaths passed 4.1 million. Each winning title promises a focused tour through one category of danger. The drawings use thick black outlines, flat colors, and expressive simple figures. Maps and diagrams keep complicated chains of failure easy to follow. Most scenes change quickly, but one visual idea remains dominant. The narration moves case by case, saving the wider pattern for later. That structure is repeatable without copying any existing tragedy. Our test topic is Arctic expedition disasters, which this channel has not used. One approved script will drive every image, subtitle, and voice line. Then we will assemble those same assets and play the finished sample. First, ChatGPT will turn channel evidence into topic ideas. I open the first reusable prompt template. The role asks ChatGPT to act as a YouTube topic strategist. The channel facts keep the ideas grounded in real evidence. The selection rules filter the private idea pool. The delivery rules ask for the 10 strongest topics only. I copy the completed topic prompt. I paste the first prompt into ChatGPT. I send the topic request. ChatGPT generates the topic list. The 10 topic options stream into the assistant response. I select the worst Arctic expedition disasters ever for the next template. The second template turns one selected topic into a script. I open the reusable script template. I move the pointer to the selected topic placeholder and select it. I delete the selected placeholder. I paste the worst Arctic expedition disasters ever at the caret. I drag across the completed script prompt and copy it. I paste that completed prompt into ChatGPT. I send the script request. ChatGPT generates the narration. The resulting script streams into the assistant response. The third template turns every script sentence into a matching image prompt. I open the reusable image prompt template. Select the placeholder for sentence 1. I delete the selected placeholder. Paste script sentence 1. Copy the completed request. I paste it into ChatGPT. I send this image prompt request. ChatGPT writes one matching visual prompt. The image prompt for sentence 1 streams into view. Next, Google Flow converts exact approved excerpts into matching hand-drawn scenes. The first prompt establishes the Arctic map and the narrowing ice route. 2 ships make the Franklin setup readable before the danger begins. We keep the composition simple, with one route and one clear threat. The second prompt combines trapped ships, moving ice, and the island camp. Those details must remain respectful and avoid any graphic depiction. The third prompt shifts to Greely's isolated weather station. A blocked relief ship and shrinking supplies explain the failure visually. The fourth prompt is the causal diagram for the wider pattern. Ice, nutrition, equipment, rescue distance, and delayed retreat appear in order. If the chain becomes crowded, we regenerate with fewer competing objects. The fifth prompt contrasts modern rescue tools with the old decision chain. The satellite and beacon show improvement without claiming the Arctic is safe. Every accepted image uses the same line weight and restrained flat palette. No reference frame is reused as project footage or a final scene. Each generated file is checked against its exact approved script excerpt. Together, the 5 scenes cover the script from beginning to end. The accepted images now pass forward under the same content ID. Then 11 Labs turns that unchanged approved script into the narration track. Open text-to-speech and keep this tool focused on one job. It will create the final English voice for our Arctic sample. Search the voice library for a calm documentary delivery. Choose a clear voice that does not sensationalize real deaths. Consistency matters because every later subtitle follows this timing. Paste the complete approved script directly from the workflow manifest. Do not substitute a transcript or text from the reference channel. Keep the pace natural and leave enough space between sentences. The delivery should stay steady through names, dates, and casualty figures. Now generate the audio from the exact locked script. The finished duration becomes the source of truth for scene timing. Play the result and listen for clipped words or awkward emphasis. The names Franklin, Carluck, Greely, and Wrangel must remain clear. Download the approved narration without changing its content. We also generate single-line subtitles from the same sentence timings. The audio and SRT now share the project content ID. Both assets are ready for the editor and final sample. Finally, CapCut assembles the matching images, narration, and subtitles into one sample, using the same locked content ID. Import all 5 approved scene images, the final narration audio, and the single-line SRT before touching the timeline. Place the visual scenes in approved script order so every image begins with the exact excerpt it was designed to explain. Add the unchanged narration track at 0 and use its real duration as the timing reference for the entire edit. Import the SRT as a subtitle track, then confirm every visible caption stays on one line and under 64 characters. Review the opening hook, the Greeley transition, and the final decision chain scene for picture, voice, and subtitle synchronization. Export at 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second, H.264 video, AAC audio, and the required pixel format. The exported sample now proves that one topic, one script, and one asset chain survived every production stage. Arctic exploration looked heroic on maps, but the ice turned small mistakes into disasters. In 1845, the Franklin expedition sailed with 2 reinforced ships and 129 men to find the Northwest Passage. Both ships became trapped and no one returned. Decades later, the Karluk was crushed by moving ice after its crew drifted for months. Some reached Wrangel Island, but exposure and starvation still killed 11 people. The Greeley expedition spent 3 years collecting weather data farther north. Relief ships failed to reach them, food ran out, and only 6 of 25 men survived. The pattern was never just cold. Sea ice erased routes, scurvy weakened crews, equipment failed far from rescue, and leaders often kept moving after retreat was still possible. Modern satellites, insulated gear, and emergency beacons have changed the odds, but the Arctic still punishes confidence faster than almost anywhere on Earth. These expeditions were not defeated by one dramatic moment. They were defeated by chains of small decisions that the ice made impossible to undo.